Before we get started, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick Calendly tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to add buffer time in Calendly. A simple way to make sure you have breaks between appointments so you're never rushed. First, log into your Calendly account and go to your homepage. Find the event type you want to adjust. On the right side of that events row, click the three dots and select Edit. When the event settings open on the right hand side, scroll down and click More Options. Now look for the Limits and Buffers section. Here you can set how much time you want before and after each meeting. This gives you breathing room to take notes, prepare for the next call, or simply grab a coffee. Enter your desired time, for example 10 minutes before and 15 minutes after. Adjust it to match your workflow. Once you're happy with your buffer times, click Save Changes. That's it. You have successfully added buffers to your schedule, making it easier to manage back-to-back meetings without burning out. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment below and subscribe for more Calendly tips.